Hey guys, it's me! And we are playing some more Minecraft, episode 6. Or 7.
7.
7. And we are with my friend Logi again!
Hey, yoo-hoo!
Yeah. So, today, unfortunately for Lord G, he didn't have the camping experience that he wanted to do. And unfortunately, he didn't have enough money to go to camp. So he's gonna be with us. And as you see, we have our chest that we organize stuff, and we have all our stuff that we need, weapons and everything. I'll take a sword. I'll take my pickaxe, shovel, and I don't need any more. Let's go. So today, I'm going to leave it to Lord G, and he's gonna tell us what we're gonna do today.
This
Yes.
and this.
Yes. Okay. So today we're gonna make a cow farm, and getting TNT. Trying to get TNT in cow farm. Okay. So let's start it. Let's get started and getting like some wheat to attract the cows.
Yeah.
I left you 3 wheat, so you can grab it. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. A cow. Ooh, there's a wool right here. Might have been a sheep.
I see a wolf. I see a flower.
Oh, you can get a wolf if you want.
Nope.
Oh, right. You're not a fan of wolves. I remember there was an island that I called when I got here. It was called like the Cow Island because when I went there, it was like filled with cows and everything. I don't know where it was again. Wait, is that a cow? No, that's a wolf. Never mind.
Remember que no nos podemos alejar de la casa.
Yeah, I know. Oh, it would be awesome if we could put like a waypoint and teleport to the house. But we can't do that. Ooh, we just got a seed. Okay. Okay, we're back where we started when we came here. When I came here, and then when Lord you came here. But don't worry, I've been here, living a lot, been here, and I think I know my way back home.
You think?
I think because last time I got lost, but no, that will never happen. Wow, I did not have breakfast. I'm really hungry. If I had some food. You had... Oh, man.
Take this.
No, raw chicken. That's how I eat. Okay, so... Wow,
I don't find any cow.
we can't find any cows. It's like the island with no cows. Because I remembered when there was a cow. But there was in the other island. It was the trees were like the wood was more lighter than ours. Where's the cows? Cows. Where are you going? Why did we leave the door open, by the way?
Don't know.
Okay.
Weird.
Where are you?
I found a chicken and he dropped an egg.
Oh.
And it sounds.
Yeah, we can probably kill it and get a cake. And make a cake, but that we need more materials for that. We have not found any cow. I'm gonna go to this other biome.
Remember not to run. We
Yes.
don't have food.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go to this biome. There's nothing.
Aquí pueden haber vacas.
Yeah, there could be here. How can you like change a color? If you had like white, yellow flowers, could you like change the color?
Of the flower?
Yeah.
Nope.
That would be awesome. Let me just. Never mind. I'm just gonna walk around. Do you see any cows, by the way?
Uh-uh.
Wow. Are we in a world prove that we don't have cows because I haven't seen cows in a long time. By the way.
Yeah.
Wow. How in the world did he do that?
Nope.
See, I just get hurt. I just get hurt automatically. The world doesn't love me.
Oh, don't say that. But there's no cows.
There is no cows at all. Where is the cows? Did they fly to winter? Do they have wings?
Nope.
Are they like mutant cows that they go and fly? And they have wings or something? I don't know. I don't know where the stuff are. I don't see any cows.
Si tuviéramos, I see pigs.
I see pigs too. I see a pig.
Si estuviéramos en el biome de pradera.
Pradera. Can you say that in English, please? I don't know.
Really, bruh?
Yes, I don't know. Oh, there's 3 cows. I'm gonna kill them.
Where?
Over here, we're in the island that you said cows.
These are not cows. These are pigs.
Oh, I mean pigs. I'm gonna eat them. We have 4. I don't have that much food.
I found
How
2
much?
cows.
2 cows? Okay.
Yes.
That's good. That's good.
The
That's good.
mom and the baby.
The mom and the baby? Okay, so. Oh man,
That would be
that was gonna be rough for the cows. Ew.
Alright, let's go, cows. Where's the home?
You go straight because we were going straight. Oh no, they're following me now. Don't go far. You have to like go slowly for the camera. So
Crouching.
why? Oh yeah, it's crouching. Okay, they're coming.
This is gonna be so weird.
They're gonna be.
Now they're following.
Okay, now now they follow you more better. So I'll keep a watch on them. Wait, what? Oh, they saw me. Never mind. I don't have any wheat, so I don't know why they're looking at me. Don't go that far because then they can't see you and then they can't smell it. They want to smell it. I can't jump up here. How dare you?
What?
Nothing. Oh, I found a mushroom. That's useful for mushroom stew. Another mushroom, but it's another different mushroom. Awesome, we can make mushroom stew.
You.
Yeah, I love mushrooms too.
I don't.
You don't? What do you like? Like rabbit stew?
Hey, cow. Look at me.
Cow stew?
Yeah.
Cow stew?
Pig stew, cow stew, rabbit stew.
They should make like some
There's rabbit stew in Minecraft.
rabbit stew. I know. It would be. Oh, I found another cow. Awesome.
Yeah.
Follow me, cow. Okay, you have those cows. I don't have this one. Remember, go straight. If you don't remember this, just go straight. Just see my name and just go. Let me see. Oh, I thought that was a creeper because everything was white for a little bit. Oh no! Darn it. Yeah, kill them. There's a sheep following me too.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, we'll kill that guy. I don't want to go under the water. Wait, is this the way back home? Yeah, I think it was.
Yeah.
Oh no, they're following you now. Hey, follow me. You gotta follow me.
Little cow, follow me. It's like him or him.
This is a daddy. It's not a mommy.
Little cow, follow me. Okay, me rindo. Que te siga.
He can't see me. He doesn't see me.
Ahora te vas conmigo, ¿verdad?
Now he comes.
Deja que te siga la vaca. Bueno, olvídalo. Ya
Oh, wait,
está muy
no,
bien.
oh,
Que
no.
me siga.
Where do I put the cows? We didn't have anything.
Don't
Do I put them
worry.
inside the house?
Look what I have.
Yeah, but do I put them inside the house until you put that?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna put them inside the house.
El lobo no las mata, ¿verdad?
¿Ah?
El lobo no las mata.
El lobo mata el sheep, no mata el cow. Where's the other cow?
Where are you? Where are you? I don't see your name.
It's in. You go straight. Go straight. Okay, now that. But where's the cow? Where's the? Oh, no cow. Do you see my? Oh, I see your name for a little bit. You're going the wrong way.
Yeah.
Yes, you're going the wrong way. Oh no. Okay, now the cow's following me. Okay, come on. You guys can follow me. Come down. Oh, it's almost night. Come on, come on.
Hurry up, cow.
We'll do it tomorrow because this is too much pressure. It's too much pressure. Come inside. Come inside, little cows. Come in. Come inside. Come
Tienes que
inside.
romper la puerta.
I know. I did. Okay. No. Shh. Keep following me. Keep following me.
I see a zombie. I see a zombie.
I see a creeper watching me through the window. Do not come.
I see it too.
Do not come yet. Do not come. I'll kill it.
Here.
I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it. But don't come yet. Don't come yet.
explode
Oh
the
no,
house.
there's a spider too.
Hurry up.
Okay. They're next to the house. Okay, that's awesome. Oh no,
Boom.
they killed me.
Headshot.
That was. How did you wanted to say that? You wanted to say boom headshot? Really? Oh no, they're gonna escape. They escaped.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, they didn't escape.
Christopher?
What?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zombies following me.
I'll help you. Let me just get my stuff and kill them.
Get out of here, zombie. Get out of my cows. No las quiero matar, lo estoy matando
Really?
con cuidado.
Okay, I'm just imagining a cow looking at your. No, I mean a zombie looking at your cow. Where's the zombie?
Ya los maté.
Oh, there's a skeleton.
Hurry up, kill it.
Ow.
Follow me, cowie.
Ow. You're gonna kill me. Headshot. No. Yeah, okay. I got some arrows for my bow.
Quita la puerta.
The other cows are gonna get out. I mean the cows.
Hurry up, hurry
I'm
up.
coming.
Yeah.
They're coming out, aren't they? Come
Yeah.
in.
Rápido, por la puerta. Por la puerta.
Yeah!
Ooh.
Finally. But let's sleep for now.
Sorry. I'm out of here, baby.
You're like, bam. You kill them.
One shot, baby.
One shot.
One shot.
One
One shot. 30 years old. I was like,
Okay,
I died
so
with the shot of the blah blah.
okay, so
I'm going to make the farm.
you make the farm, but I will take them inside. Wait, where's
¿Dónde quieres que la ponga?
put them like on the side of the.
Whoa.
They blow up the house.
Nope.
Then I'm okay with that. They didn't blow the house.
Lo que me hace risa es que simplemente me quitó esto.
Wow.
Thank
It only
you,
took
armor.
like-
I love you.
Yeah, but check your armor. How is it now? Oh my god! Eso tiene thorns, so it's good.
Le hizo daño al creeper justo cuando explotó. Weird.
Wow.
¿Dónde quieres que haga la farm?
I said next to the farm. So
Farm?
next to the farm, the other farm.
Weird.
Oh, here.
Muy bien, tú la pones, yo hago la farm.
I can't hear anything because it was better because you said down the volume because nobody can hear me. Everybody's just gonna hear they're gonna hear like all of the dirt that's placing. So I prefer like not having the volume of Minecraft all the time. I just do this. So more better. Not wasting a lot of dirt. Just do this. Cover it up. Cover the hole.
Okay. Ooh. What do we have here?
We have enough dirt.
Ouch.
Whoa! I'm gonna take that armor. That looks legit.
Legit.
Let's see what it has. Oh, some dirt.
Yeah!
Oh my god! Oh my god! It has respiration. Oh, man, it's coming! Oh my god, I'll take the ones myself.
Tengo un muslito.
Um,
I'm going to
okay,
try.
it has respiration. It has aqua
Affinity?
affinity, and it has thorns. One. And the other one has thorns and protection.
La vaca y el lobo se llevan bien.
Protection. I don't know what it's called. Body protection. No.
Projectile
Body. What?
Projectile protection, baby.
Projectile. Okay, that is awesome. I think that's awesome. Yeah. Okay, so this armor is legit, but I would prefer something on my chest plate.
Hello.
Oh, you just ate. I'm trying to open the chest, and then when I see that, oh no.
I don't eat nothing.
Wow, you just ate 2 of the mushroom stew for nothing.
No.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Voy a empezar.
Okay, you make the farm, and I got a good idea.
What?
I'll go fishing.
Okay.
It's my skill. I do fishing all the time.
But first,
Let me fix
no. Let me kill a creeper.
it. Let me get a paper.
Not really. Let me kill a creeper.
When I heard that, I was like, bam, bam, dun, dun. Oh. Is he coming for me?
No, it's coming for me.
Oh! How much did you have? Did it drop you anything?
2 of gunpowder.
Okay, so we need 1 more. To make TNT, we need 1 more.
¿Cuántas TNT tienes? 0.
No, yeah, I have 0. But we have gunpowder. We have 2 gunpowder and 2 more, so we need 1 more so we can make 1 TNT. Only 1 TNT.
With 1 TNT.
I don't think that's enough. But still,
Mala pringa.
I'm like okay with that. When you say stuff, I'm okay with that. I don't care about my inventory. The things that I matter is that when the comments, we say, we got 2 salmon. That's good. And you know you know how much I love
That
salmon.
sounds weird.
What?
Nothing.
We got a fish, another fish. It's called raw fish. That's how you know how to call your fishes raw fish. That's how you call your fish. The actual things that I like about when you fish is that you can you have 50% that you can get different stuff. Like sometimes you can get an enchantment book. You can get a saddle. You can get a stick. That's the good thing about another fish. Okay, we got 2 and 2, so we can share the fish. I'll take the salmon, you take the fish. Okay, then 1 fish for me, 1 salmon
for me.
So 1 salmon for you, 1 salmon for me.
Yay.
1 fish, 1 fish. You finished? Okay, then start getting the
cows.
Yeah. Oh, remember to break the door. They're probably already doing it.
1, 2, where's it?
They're upstairs. Don't you dare think they're in their beds. What the fuck?
No habían 3.
Yeah.
¿Por qué solamente hay 2? What? What? Magic.
What happened?
De repente apareció una del techo.
What the fuck?
Weird. Come on, Callie.
I'm really distracted. I don't know if I catch the fish or fish came. I don't know because I was talking.
This is always weird.
No, because the doors here.
Pero las demás pasaron. Y aún no quiere.
Oh.
Ahora. Whoops.
The good thing is, it takes an hour when you go fish, and there's nothing, and then when you are finally See? Finally.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I have 4 fishes and 2 salmon.
You like to fish.
I like,
Minecraft.
I like to fish every time. It's my hobby. Oh, I like how you did that.
Come with Papa, little cows. No, don't go with him. Go with me.
No, don't go with him. Go with me.
Ok. Quédense ahí.
Now you have to breed them.
Yep.
Oh, you only have one. Oh, darn it! When I looked at the fish, I saw a bubble, so I wasn't washing. I was washing. Okay, remember to place them back. How much weed do you have? Here, have it. Have this. I gave you wheat. I mean wheat. Wheat, not wheat. John, you mean what? Well, you know what I mean? Like wheat, not wheat.
I hate
It's a wheat, not weed. You broke the door. Put the door back.
Okay.
Ooh, there's 2 more wheat. Wheat. Here, have the wheat. Give me the wheat so I can make bread.
Alright, come with me. Nope.
Yep.
Ya hicieron lo suyo.
¿Mm?
¿Para qué quieres que sigan teniendo?
No, I just need some bread. 16 bread, okay.
Oh, stupid.
Want some? Okay. There you go. There you go. Okay. Are you talking or are you not talking? Can you stop doing that, please? I didn't want to do this. Wolfie, attack him.
No.
Then stop it.
Alright.
It's gonna be a good Wolfie if it's don't. Stop. Stop doing that.
What?
Are you talking or not? My God.
Yes. Okay, se está haciendo de noche. It's getting late, baby.
Oh, we got some 2 iron. That's good. Okay, I'll take this.
Let's go.
Wait.
Sleep time.
Let me get some. Can I cook the fish?
Cook the fish. Cook the fish.
I'm trying to put a lot of stuff. To get it, you can make another bow. We have enough. Yeah, I know how much you love.
¿Sabes qué deberíamos hacer?
What?
Cazar monstruos.
Guess what?
Sí, matar monstruos.
Why?
Para obtener drops.
Yeah, but we already have like. Let's leave for now.
Please.
But don't judge me when you die.
Let's go.
That's the thing that I just said. Don't judge me. Wait, John. Oh, never mind. Did I give you the wheat?
You.
Yes, you did, and you created. Oh my God. I wanted you. Wait, let me just put.
Where are you, Molly? Where are the creators?
Here's your fish.
difícil, no vaya.
Oh, sorry. Ow. Ow. Stop hitting me. Okay, let's go.
Fish in your face.
Ow. Stop hitting me. Let me put, not that. Let me put that. Okay. Okay. Remember to close the doors, right?
Yeah.
Remember to close the doors. I found a zombie. I found a zombie and a skeleton. Okay, let's
I
go.
found a skeleton.
I'll kill this. I'll kill the zombie. You kill the skeleton.
Okay.
There we go. It was a lucky zombie.
Okay.
It gave me a potato.
Yes, yes.
What did it give you?
No, potato. Ahora con la potato.
A potato.
Potato.
Wait. Ooh. I want the helmet. You can have it if you want. No, you don't want it? Yeah, I'm killing all the zombies. I'm like Walking Dead in here. Yeah.
I haven't found any zombie. Esto es tan difícil.
I love it when there's.
Esto es en hard mode.
No, it's actually. Oh, yeah, it is. Well, I think that's end of the video. Jan, come on. Let's finish. Where are you?
Oops.
John.
What?
So, if you guys liked the video, leave a like, leave a comment, and tell us what you love about Lord G's famous cow farm. Ow.